It's time for dinner. Get your ass down here and eat. It's getting cold.
Please excuse me, ladies. I'll be right back.
Will you stop throwing a damn fit?
What is it, Mom? Mom, where are you?
Buzz, hey, Buzz, are you okay? Gone! It's all gone. All it's gone. Bye-bye. Who's here? What the hell happened to you? One minute you're defending the whole galaxy, and suddenly you're defending the whole galaxy, and suddenly you find yourself sucking down the whole galaxy, and suddenly you're defending Darjeeling, and suddenly you find yourself sucking down
dicks in
the whole galaxy, and suddenly you find yourself sucking down Darjeeling with Marie Antoinette and her little sister. I think you had enough
Wine.
for today. Let's get
your ass.
out of here, Buzz. Don't you get it? You see the hat? I am
A fat girl named
Mrs. Nesbitt. Snap out of it, Buzz.
This damn thing doesn't shut.
I'm sorry. You're right. I am just a little depressed. That's all. I can get through this. Oh, Sam! Look at me. I can't even fly out of
The damn
window.
Tell me in the comments what you see behind that banister. It hangs from the ceiling.
The hat look good? Tell me that.
If you listen really close, you'll hear the buzzing sound of the glow-in-the-dark feature.
Out the window, Buzz. You're a
Smart.
Come on, this way. Years of
High score straight A's.